like a probably 3 or 4 foot snowdrift there. Probably 3 or 4 foot snowdrift. I don't know if you could tell on the camera. There's a street in here somewhere. In front of my house. That's up there. This is almost with no one to it. Being a rural area, they probably will never plow the street. I have a 405 pickup next door. It's the only one that's in it that I can have so far. Hopefully that guy continues shoveling the whole street. Probably. Less than 12 hours ago, nothing was on the ground but a little sleet.